Muthoni Wakirumba Baby Top nĩatigĩte mafans ake makenete mũno mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ na ahiki magĩcumĩkĩra mwanake ũyũ wĩ mbica-inĩ ĩno ĩrĩa Muthoni Wakirumba arekereirie mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, na mwanake ũyũ akiuga nĩ brother yake ũgwĩtwo Gideon, na mafans a Muthoni Wakirumba mũno mũno the females nĩmakenereire mbica ĩno mũno mũno. Muthoni Wakirumba was celebrating her brother's birthday akiuga, to the most amazing brother around, may this special day in your life be filled with joy and happiness. Happy birthday at Gideon Njoroge. Na niho acokire arekereria mbica ĩno, na from there onwards women went crazy in her comment section makĩenda kũmenya kana mwanake ũyũ ena mũndũ, if he is single or if he is taken, ona mũno mũno makĩenda namba yake. Mary Mam Sylvia akiuga, where my ovaries are twerking, nipewe connection please, but anyway happy birthday to him. Na Muthoni Wakirumba amwĩra tiga ũgũrũki. Onake Moas Ben Gracie auga, Muthoni aka Baby Top, we are going to sue you, how can you do this to ladies, with so many laughing emojis. Na Muthoni Wakirumba amwĩra mũribe. Na Muthoni Wakirumba acoka ongerera ndũmĩrĩri akĩra ahiki behave akiuga, ladies behave. Nao macoka kũmwĩra matingĩhota ona tita haha mabehaveaga. Rosie Sparks Karinje akiuga, leave us, let us mingle with your own brother. Nake Magishiko akauga, aje sasa mali safi na unasema to behave. Onake Suzy Benson auga ati, Muthoni mpe namba zetu. Suzy Benz, ũrarehe kĩndũ kĩega ũguo ũcoke uge to behave. Ona Sherry Kikuyu akauga, Muthoni aka Baby Top, how do you expect us to behave? 2, please stop testing us, ama unataka tukuje maandamano huko Kameme. Nake Jesus Queen auga ati, niĩ ndirenda o namba. Masi W Jega auga, Top bibi yake anaweza nichapa. Jane Wayne Derito Oria auga, sleepless nights it is. Muthoni Wisebon onake auga, ona tukiendaga ni harema, you both look awesome, penda nyinyi sana. Masi Wanjiru, wachana na sisi atupangwingwi, hii bill ni lazima tuinyakue. Na Musheke M Rosie auga, kama kubehave itakujia hapa acha tu ikae haki. Susan Irogo akona mũndũ. Nake Grace Wangari auga ati, huku all ladies wamekuwa single. Anywho, happy birthday to Mr. Gideon himself. Nyandaro no kũmanywa Nastro. Noguo nĩguo maũndũ mauma mwena-inĩ wa Muthoni Wakirumba Baby Top. Na still on Muthoni Wakirumba, she's back now on Kameme, she's back on radio. She taken a short vacation. Just the other day she shared a photo of her in Dubai. Na mzima no ũrakoretwo akĩmũnyitĩrĩra, but now she is back. Na nginya she shared a video, she did a live video me on air na Mutheki akiuga babe is back. Arĩ ndũmĩrĩri na confirmation kũrĩ mafans ake arĩa marakoretwo makĩmũrĩrĩria mũno, she is now back. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.